Let's make it simple. 3 easy little steps, 3 easy ways you can look and see right now if you are on your path, on your way to being wealthy, to having what you want to have, to being the person you want to be. Let's just take it real short and sweet and simple in this quick little broadcast here of 3 ways to see if you are on the right track to having the wealth and the prosperity that you want to have in your life. So when you look at what you're doing right now, when you look at the signs and the different things that you're doing and the different ways you're doing them, when you look at all this, so you will be, even if you're not wealthy yet, there is a way to look and see if you're on the right path to be there, to get it. Hold on. And there we go. Okay, sorry about that delay. So when you know what you're looking at and when you know what your focus is and when you know and you have faith in yourself and you have faith in everything you're doing, when you know all of this and all the above, then when you look around yourself, I mean right now, look around yourself and what do you see? What are the signs around you telling you? So number one, are you happy with where you're at? Are you happy right now? The lifestyle you have right now. You may not be happy that you're not where you're at. That's not what I'm asking. What I'm asking is right now you've made the steps, you've made the choices, and you've made the progress to get where you want to go. So when you're doing this, and it's all in conjunction with helping yourself to get where you want to be, helping yourself to do what you need to do, helping yourself to have your faith. So be aware of what you're attracting back to you. When you look at what your attraction vibration is, what's coming back to you, what's growing as you are progressing, when you look back in there, are you, instead of seeing what you don't want around you as being bad, what if you look around yourself and see it as being good? What if you look around yourself right now and the surroundings, whatever room you're in, whatever you're doing, what if you see the prosperity that is around you? Okay, that's a big plus. So 3 signs. Number 1 is see the richness all around you instead of poverty. See the good abundance. You have abundance all around you right now. You have abundance. You have a chair. That's abundance. You have a couch. That's abundance. You have your desk. You have your microphone. You have your computer. That is abundance. You have a car. Even if you don't have a car, you have a motorcycle, a bike, or whatever you have. Maybe you ride a bicycle. That is abundance. Anything you have around you is abundance. You have clothes on your back. That's abundance. Anything and everything around you, when you look at it as you live in abundance, what do you think that vibration, that motivation, that energy is coming back to you? That is abundance. Okay, Number two is you admire other rich people. You are one of them. You are motivated by the way they talk, the way they walk, the way they act. You belong in this group. When you can see that, maybe you see people online, maybe you're in a group. And this is really key here, guys, because if you can be in a group of targeted high earners, of different people that are already doing it, that have the attitude, the prosperity, and the wealth all around them, and you can see that and you can resonate with it, pardon me, you are in that group. You are in the group of the high achievers. So you're not there yet. You're on your way. As long as you're in that group and you are taking keynotes and you're looking at everybody and you're not following them, maybe mirroring the actions, maybe mirroring the attitude. When you come up with the attitude of faith and courage and confidence in yourself, that is what a top earner, that is what a high achiever is. I don't mean an overachiever. You don't ever want to be the overachiever. You want to be a high achiever, setting your sights high and following through, setting your sights higher, Always set your sights higher than what you think you can make. That's going to push yourself. It's going to push you to the next rung, the next line, the next step on the ladder. It's going to keep pushing you. So number 3, you feel possible. What do I mean by that? All is possible for you to have it all that you desire. When you put it that way and you know that you are possible, everything you want, everything you're doing, everything you are is possible to come back and to be there with you, for you, in every way possible, exactly, that you choose it to be. So knowing that everything is possible for you, don't you feel more like, oh yeah, I got this. Anything I want is possible. That is number 3. And when you feel that and you know that and you see that, there's no doubt that you're going to get everything you want in life. It may take time. You're not going to get it overnight, but you will get everything you want. So you know it. And your it could be like your why. Why are you doing what you're doing? What is your motivation? What is your process? What are you doing that's making it so wonderful for you? And that's the same thing with your it. When it is possible for you to have the life, the home, the income, the family, when you know that it is there for you, you just have to be open to receiving it. And by doing so, you have faith you can. Always, always have faith you can. Know you will. Never say I can't. Never say I won't. Never say I'll think about it. Never say I'll try. Those are the things that will set you up to stop whatever you've got going for you in a flash, right there in your tracks. Look at your future. It starts right now with how you think, how you feel, and what your actions are. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. So, look at what you're doing. If you're growing your business, if you're trying to get there, if you're not quite there yet, and you're like, okay, this is what they're doing. This is what everyone else is doing that are top earners, that are successful. What happens for me if I mirror that? What happens when I mirror those actions? What happens when I mirror that whole scenario? What happens when I mirror that? That's the question. It's the golden gate that opens up, and you can see, oh, my nose itches, sorry guys. So look at your future now. It starts now. It starts with the actions you have right now. It starts with your prosperity. It starts with your feelings, your motivation. It starts with all the above. So, and if you're looking and you're saying, hey, fellow business owners, what can I do to start my business to go this way? What can I do to attract more sales? What can I do to get the leads that will attract, that will grow my sales? What can I do? Fellow business owners, I'm here. Right? You are here, and you are having success, and you are growing, and you are letting everything you're doing shine through and to be the you that you're meant to be. Okay? I do have an offer for you in the header, so please take advantage of that, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. If you would like to be tagged in the group, let me know, and I would be happy to tag you in. Okay, guys, I'll chat with you later. Bye-bye.